That keening is the voice of the Resetu. The desert dogs use the storm as a rallying cry. These reavers use the sandstorm to mask their raids.
Are we not alone?
Stay close to me! Do not let these girls surround you! I will not let you destroy my great work! Over here! Drive those things yet and back! They pour out of the storm! These reavers fly on the wings of the storm! Alarm! Alarm!
The wind rises. The sun with it. Must keep our bearings. Hey!
You face the greatest of Egypt! Come, Meta! Fight with me! Quick, hunt them down!
Kill you! I'll crush you under my heel, insect!
Spears of Retopolis! Rise up and defend your home! Magi! Show them the teeth of justice! Bayek, do not stray to the storm! You expected to find our soul clever, but instead you have found our iron teeth!
Shit! Get over here! Have your touch for that? You pay for that! You have to use that! Well...
These reavers think themselves lions! They are but whipped curs! Bayek, hunt them down! Stay with me, Bayek! The Topolis will stand against you, curs! Die, you sons of dogs!
Come quickly, brother!
Bayek, you fell upon them like Sobek's teeth! Bayek, ride with us! These desert dogs have crossed me for the last time. But with your fierce iron, I know we can end their threat.
I understand your thirst for blood, Tahaka. But these bandits are not my concern. Tell me about the Scarab before you ride.
Is that not the badge of a Magi that you wear? These reavers are a threat to the good and innocent people of Letopolis. Come with me, Bayek. And once we have returned these curs to the desert they so love, then I will tell you the story you want to hear.
All right. I will join your cause for today.
Come, Bayek. Take up your iron and join us. Brave, loyal servants of Letopolis! We will root these reavers out of their holes and spill their blood on the sand.
Clear the way!
This task you have put yourself to, it seems impossible.
Only the gods can know that for sure, Bayek. And if I do not reach for the stars, how will I know how close I can get? Letopolis was a wonder once, before the desert overtook it. I mean to show the world, to show the gods, that men can conquer anything if they put their minds to it. Perhaps you have been sent by the gods to help me realize my vision. A strong arm, a keen eye. We could restore this land to glory.
I have my own great work ahead of me.
We shall see if I cannot convince you.
Sounds like a few bandits are roosting up top.
No mercy for bandits! Come on! Accept your fate!
It's me or we not alone?
هرسية سشد شديد.
My thanks to you, Bayek. Before you arrived, I thought my dream was doomed to die. You gave me the strength to hunt down these reavers.
Who are they?
Blood-fevered followers of Sekhmet, the Lady of Slaughter. They wish nothing more than chaos and ruin.
Are they connected to the Scarab?
No, they think themselves lions, but they are no more than carrion eaters. And now they will feed the scavengers. I will bring this priest back to the city. Meet me at my house. We will dine, and I will tell you what you need.
May God bless you and protect us safe.
place is heavily guarded.
Oh!
Smile upon my work, so that my name might remain enduring in this temple forever and ever. O Mother Newt, watch over me, so that I may be placed among the imperishable stars and may never die. O Mother Newt, watch over me, so that I may be placed among the stars and never die. O gods, smile upon my work, so that my name endures. This is how a dream dies. I could have built something to last an age.
And Goopa could have sung stories of your accomplishments.
There are things I regret. We all labor for higher powers. We are all enthralled to greater forces. There is no escape. I am but one in the Order of Ancients. This victory will bring you no peace.
It is not peace that I seek. It is not for my soul that I walk this path.
The Order of Ancients will remember me as the bringer of waters and the builder of cities!
Or the desert will blow in and scatter the dream of Metropolis like dust. Take care of him. Try to make him understand if you can.
You have brought blood and death to my house.
You are blind. But now you must open your eyes. Your husband was the Scarab. He did this. Your father was tortured and scarred by this man, as were so many others.
No.
It is up to you to raise your boy into the light, out of the blood and shadows of his father's legacy. I'm sorry, my son.
Good news, Layla. IS DNA has finished sequencing. You can sync with their memories now.